Hello, I'm Dr. Lyon. I am a psychologist here at the Institute. Today I have 4 patients coming in for various reasons. As a clinical psychologist, it is my job to treat patients with mental illnesses, abnormal behavior, issues, psychiatric problems, and that's exactly what I'll be doing today.
Go.
I don't know what went wrong. We were doing fine and all of a sudden he dumped me. I'm just not good enough. He never said that, but I know that's what he was thinking.
Can you tell me why you decided to come in today?
Because everybody hates me.
Why would you think that?
Probably because I can't do anything right. My boyfriend broke up with me. I don't even see what there is to live for anymore.
Well, I think you're going through depression. I'm going to prescribe Abilify. That should help you.
Whatever.
Since I majored in clinical psychology, it was easy for me to see that Lauren was depressed. Just by her appearance, I could tell she had been eating just weirdly, and not getting much sleep, and drinking. She also had a very negative, hopeless attitude. Being a clinical psychologist, I could see the symptoms without difficulty.
Hi, I'm Raven. Why do we have to tape this? Who's watching? Who's in there?
What made you come see me today, Raven?
They're watching us.
Who's watching?
Listen, I don't think we should talk about this right now.
Well, I think you can trust me. I mean, I'm here to make those people go away. Okay, I can see you're in distress. I'm going to go ahead and give you some Invega, and it's going to take those people away, and they're not going to bother you anymore.
Okay.
Being a clinical psychologist, I am able to tell that Raven is a hopeless schizophrenic. She believes she is seeing and hearing things that aren't really there. These symptoms usually occur when a family member has the disease, which is really sad. Although some symptoms could be mistaken for those of other behavioral disorders such as autism, but I don't think she has that. I took a course on these kinds of disorders when I was studying to be a clinical psychologist.
Oh, hi! I'm Haley! It's spelled like Hallie, but it's really Haley. I had a friend named Hallie once. I don't know what happened to her. Did she move? She had a cat named Wilson. Oh, cookies!
How have you been today, Haley?
Awesome! Last week I went to Walmart and I saw this guy with a big tattoo.
Hold on, wait, Haley. Why did you even come here today?
Well, I've had a lot of trouble concentrating on... There's a penny on the floor. Can I get it?
Okay, well, I think I'm going to prescribe you some Intuitive. That should really help you concentrate just a little bit better.
There's gum under here.
Now, I went to school to be a clinical psychologist, so I know an ADHD patient when I see one. Haley had a lot of trouble concentrating in our session and spoke very quickly. These are classic symptoms of ADHD. I worked with some students with this disorder when I was in college, where I took classes to become a clinical psychologist.
I'm really confused what I'm going to do with my life. I'm a sophomore and I still don't have a major. I hope in today's session Dr. Lyon can help me with my problem.
Hello, why don't you tell me why you're here today?
I have no idea what I'm going to do with my life. I need a major.
What do you look for when you're searching for a career?
I look to see how long it takes, how much money they make, and what they actually do.
Have you ever considered majoring in clinical psychology?
No.
Well, you should.
What do they do?
Many things. We diagnose clients, counsel individuals, families, and groups, keep records, keep up with the latest research, prescribe medicine, and so on.
How long does it take to get a degree?
Anywhere between 5 or 7 years.
That's a lot. I was hoping to get done with classes in 4 years.
Well, try not to be closed-minded about your future. It is a long time to go to school, but there is a rising need for psychologists.
How much does it pay?
Well, people in the area of work usually make around $70,000 a year, but that could vary where you work.
That sounds good. Maybe I'll look into clinical psychology.
I am going to prescribe you with something, though. I think this will help you tremendously. a class with Dr. Dave at Ball State University. He is an amazing professor. Clinical psychology is an amazing field, and I hope that Spencer looks into it a little further. Dr. Dave should be able to help him with this confusion because Dr. Dave is awesome. I'm going to prescribe Obliquity. That should help you. It'll make you happy. I could tell that she hadn't been getting much sleep and that she was really just had been drinking. She's also very negative.
Hi, I'm Haley. It's spelled like Hallie, but it's Haley. I had a friend named...
Oh,
Yeah.
never mind.
Since I majored in clinical psychology, it was easy for me to see that Lauren's... Wait, time out. Should I look at the camera for this first part? Since I majored in clinical...